Oh boy.
All that crap to just do this.
Yep, now you got to attach everything. Alright, so now you're gonna have to
I need to rewatch that video.
Yep. You need to do it over by the steam donkey though, I think. The machine. Okay.
Alright, here we go. Now, it's pretty... pretty basic, actually. First, you need to ignite it. This. Alright, then now the donkey will begin to pull. Okay? So pay attention. Attention to the pressure. You need to keep the needle in the green zone by turning this valve right here. Now, once you're done, put the fire out and you close the pipes.
Can you double check and see if that thing's actually on fire in there?
Oh, it is.
Oh no, okay. So keep it in the green. Oh.
And the road's clear. Hop on, buddy. Back on track. Now let's find that bastard.
Back onto the track we go.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, now I have no idea what's gonna happen from this point on. So.
Come on, buddy.
I like my
forward.
flashlight. It's my friend.
The brake.
Oh, I know.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go.
Don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I don't know yet. Probably gonna show up. Probably they're gonna dang dare show up. How did we get here? I'm questioning how the fuck we got here. So much shit has happened.
Saying if I was this guy, I would have abandoned this freaking search party ages ago.
Oh my god, alright?
I would be like, nope. Sorry, kid, but I cherish my life more. And my sanity.
It's getting light out.
Daylight?
Oh my god, thank you. Oh yes. calm, peace. Oh, I feel so peaceful right now. So peaceful. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Get the fuck away. Get the fuck away. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, I was peaceful.
Can you speed it up? Can you speed it up?
It's as high as it'll go.
Okay.
I know, boy. I don't like him either. We'll be out of here soon.
Fuck, fuck, fuck. Don't leave me alone.
Oh, shit!
God, what the fuck?
No, don't stop now.
You can do it. It's the little engine that could. You can do it. Come on. Hold on. Don't fall off the edge.
Just a little further.
Don't fall off this fucking bridge.
Okay, I think. Oh, don't
my
break.
God.
Stay still, boy. Very still.
Oh shit! Oh god. Oh god. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep. Oh, we got lucky.
You alright, buddy?
Oh yeah, Bullet's as happy as can be. He's not scared at all. Oh.
Alright,
That's our
on
stuff,
foot
buddy.
from here.
Okay,
See, this is fine. I'm fine now.
you sure about that?
It's not dark. I'm not terrified. See, it wants me to play video games.
Yeah.
Alice? What's going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, no, it's nothing. And everything. Yeah, I know I'm not making any sense right now, but that's the thing. I think I'm starting to lose it, Jess. I see things, and I don't even know if they're real or not. I don't know which is worse.
God damn it, Alice. I can't do this again. I'm sorry, but I can't.
Jess, please. I need you.
You're the one that told her to fuck off.
I tried to be there
That's
for
true.
you. I really did, but you keep pushing me away. Keep going deeper and deeper.
Jess.
No, Alice, I'm sorry, but I won't let you drag me down with you.
God damn it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll call you later.
This guy has some problems.
Some lady problems.
Oh yeah, a little more than lady problems.
Ew, pea water. Oh, what?
All right, it's fine.
What
It's
the
just a
fuck?
log rolling. It's not that big of a deal.
Bullet!
What? Push the log down
Stop
the hill, though.
doing that.
Come here.
Come here.
Stop playing in the water, Bullet.
This is it. The place we were looking for.
A sawmill?
Yet. Oh my God.
It's fine. It's just frogs. It's just a dog ding ding ding. Ding ding dog dare frogs.
There's a generator. So get ready.
Nothing
with your
bad ever
flashlight.
happens when we do this.
No, nothing at all. Oh, just wait. Just hold on a second. Oh, okay. We're fine. We're fine apparently. Okay. Oh.
It's
shit.
old, not abandoned. Someone lives here. This again.
What did that name say?
I don't
Annabelle?
know. I was too quick.
Up a red tape.
Here we go.
So we gotta manipulate reality somehow here. Oh shit. Oh.
No. The fuck?
Oh. That was Bullet. That sneeze.
No, that's not what I'm saying. The fuck about. Oh, I thought it changed to daytime. Fuck me.
What the fuck?
Shh, shh, shh. Quiet, boy. Right alone here.
Flashlight question mark?
I don't like this music.
What?
Okay.
I swear to God, I just heard like growling or something, and it wasn't Bullet.
Okay, so it's closed.
What the? Oh, it's just Bullet. Yeah, Bullet can't come in here for some reason. Oh.
What's one of those?
You can't do anything in here. Oh wait, no, there's that door.